Hello friends. You must be knowing that if we need to learn English language, we have to start with alphabetical letters. Similarly, to learn HTML language, we have to start with its fundamental or anatomy. Let's begin. So as you can see, we are using the same code which we have written in the previous video. And in this code, there is a doctor HTML, a HTML tag, which is closed at the last, and then we have head and body. If you notice well enough, you can see title tag also, where it is written Facebook login or sign up. And in the body tag, some description about Facebook is written. We have already seen the output of this document, but we don't know what is this tag and what is this element. So let's discuss about tags and elements. Now, if we see to this image, so we are having an opening tag and we have a closing tag, which starts with a slash. And inside a tag, we have element name. That means if I talk only about HTML, then HTML is an element name. But if I say HTML with angular brackets, then it is called as tag. Same goes to head, body, and other tags. So any element which is there with the angular bracket, it is called as tags. And in between the element name or the opening tag and the closing tag, we write the content. It can be a text or any other HTML elements. And the whole thing which is written inside a document with the opening tag and the closing tag, this whole is called as element. I hope you got this. Elements are identified by tags in the text source. A tag consists of the element name, usually an abbreviation of a longer descriptive name within angular brackets. The browser knows that any text within brackets is hidden and not displayed in the browser window. That is why in the browser window, you can't see HTML head or body written because those things are enclosed within angular brackets. Coming to the next point, the element name appears in the opening tag, also called as start tag, and again in the closing tag preceded by a slash. The closing tag works something like an off switch for the element. The tags around content are referred to as the markup, as we have discussed earlier. The HTML itself says hypertext markup language. That means everything is markup here. It is important to note that an element consists of both the content and its markup, the start and the end tags. Now let's come to the fourth point, which is very important, and it is about case insensitivity. So in HTML, the capitalization of element names is not important. That means if you write a lowercase title or a camel case title or an uppercase title, all are same as far as the browser is concerned. However, in XHTML, the stricter version of HTML, all element names must be lowercase in order to be valid. Now let's have a look at this code. What is the change you can see? You can see the body is having something else. It is also saying BG color equal to blue. That means background color should be blue. So let's directly go to our Sublime and write this code. So we have body and we are writing bg color equal to blue. We are saving it. Let's go to the file where I have kept this and run this in Chrome. Now what we can see, the background of the web page is blue in color. That means we are giving color to the web page. And this is how it looks now. But what it is? It is nothing but called as attributes. So in any element or in any tag, whatever extra you are providing, that is called as attribute with its value. So bg color is the attribute name and blue is the attribute value. We have many numbers of attributes which we will see in the further videos. Now we know the basic anatomy of an HTML, which is tag, element and attribute. Let's see one more example of it. So we have a HTML code here which says a href equal to https www.facebook.com, which says welcome to Facebook. Now let's see what are opening tag and closing tag. And also let's see what is the content. What is the attribute here? And what is the attribute name and what is the attribute value? And at the last comes the element. I hope you got this. Thank you.